30 days free trial, 30 days validity, 30 days trial version, not working after 30 days, 30 days remaining, 30 दिन के लिए है. This 30-day trial version of AutoCAD has bothered many. So this tutorial is all about solving the problem which is frequently asked by many of my students after installing AutoCAD from Autodesk official website. They say even after successfully installing AutoCAD, confirming the eligibility to Autodesk, still they get only 30 days license. So I'll show you the complete process by which you will get 1-year student license once your 30 days are over. So first open AutoCAD. Here in this account, 30 days trial is over. So click on Restart Access to open the Autodesk official website. Click on Sign In. Sign in with your credentials. I'll sign in again. Click on Get Autodesk Software. Here you can see the access has been renewed, but still we can't use it. So just scroll down, click on Get Products under AutoCAD, then just click on Install and accept the terms. A near 10 MB file will be downloaded. Click on Open. Choose a location to install it and then click on Install. Once the installation is done, click on Start to open AutoCAD. So here it is. This is AutoCAD 2022 version. You can check the license expiration date from here as well. So that's it for this video guys. Bye bye.